This is Brain Lion Institute, episode 42. The nervous system sets the budget. Most people think energy is about supply, food, sleep, motivation, but biologically, energy is not spent by intention, it's spent by priority. And the nervous system decides those priorities. The nervous system is the treasury. Your nervous system doesn't create energy, it allocates it. Every moment it asks one question. Is this environment safe enough for growth, or do we need protection? If the answer is safety, energy flows toward digestion, repair, learning, creativity, expression. If the answer is threat, energy is redirected toward vigilance, muscle tension, inflammation, immune readiness. Same calories, different budget. This is why rest sometimes fails. You can lie down, but if the nervous system stays alert, the budget doesn't change. Recovery is not the behavior, it's a state. Until the system senses safety, energy cannot be reassigned. Stress doesn't destroy energy, it makes energy expensive. It raises the cost of everything. Digestion costs more, detox costs more, thinking costs more. Nothing is broken, the system is just overspending to keep you alive. You cannot out-discipline a budget. Trying harder doesn't increase available energy. If the nervous system is still paying for protection, that's why burnout often looks like laziness. It's not, it's resource exhaustion. What actually lowers the cost? Not forcing calm, but signals of safety. Predictable rhythms, slow transitions, adequate fuel, rest without urgency, environments that don't demand performance. When safety increases, the budget shifts quietly. Energy returns without effort. Energy is not missing, it's allocated, and the nervous system holds the ledger. Change the signal, and the budget follows. Next episode: what safety does to blood flow. Thank you.